Have you ever missed someone who constantly hurt you? Have you ever waited for a message from a person who made you cry more than they made you smile? And have you ever wondered, if this hurts so much, why? Why can't I let go? Maybe it wasn't love, maybe it was a trauma bond. Because sometimes the hardest relationships to leave are not the healthiest ones. They are the ones that confuse pain with connection. कभी कभी हम किसी इंसान से नहीं, उससे मिलने वाली उम्मीद से जुड़ जाते हैं. And today, let's talk about the difference between healthy love and trauma bonding. Because they can feel surprisingly similar at first, but they lead you to a completely different destination. Chalo, let me tell you what healthy love feels like. Healthy love na is often misunderstood. मूवीज ने क्या करा, मूवीज में हमें सिखाया गया कि लव इज ऑब्सेशन. सॉन्ग्स टेल अस लव इज सफरिंग. सोशल मीडिया टेल्स अस लव इज कांस्टेंट इंटेंसिटी. बट रियल लव ऐसा नहीं होता है. रियल लव इज ऑफन मच क्वाइटर. इट्स द फीलिंग ऑफ बीइंग एबल टू ब्रीथ. It's knowing you don't have to earn someone's affection every day. It's feeling safe enough to be yourself. कोई performance नहीं, कोई walking on the eggshells नहीं, no fear of saying the wrong things. Healthy love doesn't make you wonder where you stand. It lets you rest. जहाँ प्यार सच्चा होता है ना, वहाँ दिल को हर रोज इम्तिहान नहीं देने पड़ते. You can disagree, you can have bad days, you can make mistakes and still feel loved. Because healthy love isn't perfection, it is consistency. Now let's talk about trauma bonds. A trauma bond isn't simply loving someone deeply. It's becoming emotionally attached through cycles of pain and reward. Imagine this. Someone hurts you, then apologizes. They pull away, then suddenly become affectionate again. They make you feel invisible and then make you feel like the most special person in their world. Your nervous system becomes trapped in uncertainty, and slowly क्या होता है? Your brain starts craving those rare moments of affection, not because they are healthy, but because they are unpredictable. It's like being thirsty in a desert. Even a few drops feel magical. जो चीज रोज मिलती है उसकी कदर कम हो सकती है, लेकिन जो चीज कभी मिलती है कभी छिन जाती है उसकी आदत पड़ जाती है. एंड दैट्स वेयर मेनी पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. दे थिंक इंटेंसिटी इक्वल्स लव, when sometimes intensity is actually anxiety. Healthy love na brings peace. Let's compare healthy love with trauma bonds. Trauma bond brings emotional chaos. In healthy love, your mind becomes calmer. In trauma bonding, your mind becomes busier. ये मैं अपनी पुरानी वीडियोस में भी कह चुका हूँ repeatedly. You overthink texts. You analyze every word. You replay conversations. You constantly ask yourself questions. Do they still love me? Did I do something wrong? Why are they acting different? Love should not feel like a full-time detective job, but trauma bonds ऐसा बना देते हैं आपके प्यार को, because uncertainty becomes the center of your relationship. Healthy love does not need constant proving. In healthy love, affection is not a reward, it's a foundation. You don't have to suffer to receive kindness. You don't have to chase someone to deserve their attention. You don't have to shrink yourself to keep them close. But on the other hand, trauma bonds में entirely different चीज होती है. Love often feels conditional. You work hard, you give more, you forgive more, and सबसे ऊपर you sacrifice more. किस लिए? Hoping that eventually you will receive the version of them that appeared in the beginning. वो version that felt perfect, वो version that made promises, वो version that kept you holding for so long. हम अक्सर ना उस इंसान से नहीं, उसकी यादों के एक खूबसूरत वर्जन से प्यार करते रहते हैं. और यहाँ पर एक सबसे बड़ा सवाल आता है, why trauma bonds feel so strong? And this is very important. आप इस चीज को ना बहुत ध्यान से सुनना और समझना. Trauma bonds can feel stronger than healthy relationships, and that's exactly why they are so confusing. Because human brain becomes addicted to emotional highs and lows. The relief after pain feels powerful. Reunion after distance feels intense. The affection after neglect feels extraordinary. But intensity is not always intimacy. I am repeatedly saying this. Intensity is not intimacy. A roller coaster is more intense than a peaceful walk, but it's not safer. सब बताया मैंने, बट क्या साइन है दैट यू आर इन अ हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप और ट्रॉमा बॉन्ड? लेट्स मेक दिस सिंपल. You might be experiencing healthy love if you feel emotionally safe. जब आपको कम्युनिकेशन ना ऑनेस्ट फील होता है, you don't fear abandonment every day. Conflicts get resolved respectfully. You feel supported in your growth. You can be yourself without pretending. And most importantly, your nervous system feels calmer, not constantly activated. Love na actually feels like home, not a battlefield. But दूसरी तरफ क्या होता है? You might be experiencing a trauma bond if you keep excusing repeated harmful behavior. The relationship feels addictive. You feel anxious when they are distant. You stay because of the potential, not of the reality. You confuse relief with happiness. You feel exhausted but unable to leave. And perhaps that's the biggest sign. You spend more time hoping things will change than enjoying how things actually are. In all this, there is one really important thing to hear: the truth about healing. Breaking a trauma bond is not easy because you are not just letting go of a person, you are letting go of a dream, of possibilities, of future plans, of the version of the story you wanted to become true. And that hurts. And it hurts a lot. I know this and I can feel this. I have been through this. But healing begins when you stop asking. Stop asking what? Stop asking, how do I make them love me? And you start asking, why am I accepting less than I deserve? सुकून ना तब शुरू होता है जब हम अपनी कीमत किसी और के बर्ताव से नापना बंद कर देते हैं. If someone truly loves you, you won't constantly need to decode their feelings. You won't spend nights questioning your worth. You won't have to abandon yourself to keep them. Healthy love doesn't ask you to lose yourself. It helps you to find yourself. And that's a beautiful difference, because love should feel like freedom. Captivity नहीं लगना चाहिए. प्यार में ना warmth होनी चाहिए, हर वक्त withdrawals नहीं होने चाहिए, और सबसे बड़ी चीज, प्यार में पीस होना चाहिए, पैनिक नहीं होना चाहिए. I hope you are understanding this thing. So if you are listening this today and wondering whether what you are experiencing is healthy love or trauma bond, ask yourself one simple question. When I am with this person, do I feel more like myself or less? Because the right love doesn't make you disappear. It allows you to bloom. सही प्यार और सच्चा प्यार आपको तोड़ता नहीं है, वो धीरे धीरे आपको आपसे मिला देता है. Take care of your heart, protect your peace, and remember, you deserve a love that feels safe, steady, and real. Not because you earned it, but because you are worthy of it. Until next time, be gentle with yourself. This is you and Mirror. See ya.